Tracy, and today we will learn the months of the year. There are 12 months in a year. January. It's the first month of the year. February. It's the shortest month of the year. March. April. May. June. It's the middle month of the year. July. August. September. October. November. December. It's the last month of the year. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel or click the bell icon. Bye-bye!